Hello everyone, welcome to our stream, and today we'll take a look what can we expect from Bitcoin and Ethereum, and in addition I will show you one or two major altcoins that are interesting and are relatively strong in these choppy markets. So let's start with the Bitcoin chart. As you remember from yesterday, we were talking about taking this high here, this high, and the price most likely will take a pullback to the mid-range or even lower around 96,500 and 300 this area, but the price just bounced from the mid-range. So now we have our Monday range formed. This is Monday low, previous daily low, and previous daily high. This is our Monday range. You can see that if we zoom in here, the price already swept the Monday high, the yesterday high, and pushed back into the range. Now, even though we have a clean bullish structure here with higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, another higher low, it will be crucial and important now to wait if the Bitcoin can maintain and flip again above this level. Because if it gets rejected from these levels, this will be sign that we are forming our first lower high, and I expect the price to start correct from current levels, targeting the liquidity built up here. As you can see, this is our local liquidity pool, and if this happens, I expect Bitcoin to test somewhere around. We will shift the structure, and most likely price will test the levels mentioned in our yesterday stream. This is also our golden pocket area, golden Fibonacci retracement level from this low to this high. And this is the area we have to search and signs like market structure shifts on lower time frames to take a potential long position. But as I warned you right now, we have to wait if we are forming our first lower high. This is our local range, and if this happens, if the price drops below, if the price takes correction, as you see it is happening right now, as we see, let me take this out, you can see the price already confirming that we are creating the first lower high, and most likely we will targeting this liquidity pool. So if the price fails to hold this area around the golden Fib level, I expect the range theory to play out again. This means that we will be targeting our Monday low, which is around $95,000 level. This also, if we zoom out a bit, aligns. Let me check. As you can see, this aligns. Look at. Okay, I showed you the profile. You can see that volume profile support aligns with the golden pocket level around 96,200 and 300 level. If we fail to hold here, most likely we will make another test here and sweep the Monday low. And if this happens, the only scenario that I am going to look to take a long position will be to wait the price to form the local bottom and flips back again into the range and confirm that our Monday low will be shifted again to a support level. This will be my signal for a long scalp position. This is not a financial advice. I want to warn you. I'm showing what I plan to do. Everyone is responsible for his own trades because I have strict risk management and I don't know what is your risk management. This is not a financial advice. I repeat it. So if we break above this level, if we maintain and flip above the Monday high, what can we expect? Nothing changed from since yesterday. I still will be expecting the price to test around 99,000 and 100,000 levels because this is our first major resistance here, and here this is our first major level because you can see there are a lot of signs, a lot of sorry, what happened, I don't know. If we pull our FIB from this high to this low here, you can see this is our optimal trade entry area, and this is still a correction for the major trade for the zoomed out trend. Sorry, you can see that our major trend currently is downtrend. If we maintain this level, if Bitcoin breaks this level, the next stop for the Bitcoin, and this is the ultimate level where the price will show us if we are going to be bullish again or we are going to drop again, will be, as we spoke earlier, around sorry, not here. It will be, as you see, beautifully stacked level. No, sorry. Yes, 102 and 3000 and 105 and 6000 are our next major Bitcoin resistance levels. So this is what I am looking for BTC today. I already showed you the local range you can track and also the zoomed out view. Let's take a look at Ethereum, what's going on. You can see this is also continuing our analysis from yesterday, and we were talking about after this here, after this flip, that Ethereum should flip this level here. If you remember, sorry, if I draw it more precisely, this level, and you can see now we have support resistance flipping, but also we are nearing our channel resistance, this downtrend channel, and in the meantime, this is our first from this high, if we take it, this is our first FIB level, important FIB level reached. But on the chart I can see some strengths also, because you can see this is our this level here is our Monday level for Ethereum. We have Monday low to Monday high, and you can see right now that the price is trying to support this level, but the price is near to the first important resistance, and I'm not touching this pair for now. If we see some rejection here and price decides to take this liquidity pool, I will be looking for buy opportunities around this marked area to form a higher low, and then the price to go for a breakout targeting at least this high and our range high. This is for Ethereum for now. I can show you some interesting charts also for several strong coins lately. First one is SUI. This is my drawing. I had it since somewhere right here. I'm watching. I want to show you how beautifully it's respecting its levels. So we had a uptrend here, clear uptrend, high, low, higher low, higher high, and so on. You can see it through here until that this high was our first sign. The coin was so bullish that many of us didn't want to believe that it will drop so much. And this, let's check how much percent it has dropped. You can see almost 55%. That nobody of us believed that the price can drop so much. But you can see this was our first sign. This is our first lower high and followed by the first lower low here, and you can see afterwards price dropped once, created equal lows here, bounced a bit, and another spike on the big drop, almost touched our first major demand level. It skipped a bit, but this happens often in crypto because it's an obvious level, and due to the fact there at these levels we can expect that there are many orders stacked, and hence the reason the price often front run the ideal entry. Also, if we pull our Fibonacci tool, you can see that I love to use Fib tool because it's one of the strongest tools I have ever used. You can see that the price literally kissed the optimal trade area entry zone here. And look at now, after we flipped back into the range, the price tested this level as a support. This, you can see this pattern here when the first low formed and then the price breaks it and then flips back into the range and then test the first low is called Quasimodo pattern, or I don't know how it's called in modern days, but this is very old pattern and one of the strongest ones I personally use. I expect if the price correct a bit from here to these levels or here, SUI to test at least $4 mark, or this our mid-range, because let me show you something else. If we draw our volume profile, you can see how beautifully it is playing. Test a very low, swept every long here, and players are out, back into the range, rejected from the point of control, test it again as a support this time, and the price bouncing up. You can see that the next obvious levels are again the point of control. This is around 3.771 and $4 mark. If we break this level, the next major level for SUI is 4.40 level. This is for SUI. Today's most trending coin is Cardano. I want to show you something here as well. I don't know if you know, but today's pump on Cardano is a result mostly on a hype because Grayscale filled ETP application. But if we zoom out, we can see that the price didn't bounce from how I can say it, random place. This is an analysis I have made and we have traded in our group. Earlier this year, this was my prediction for Cardano. I didn't expect it to reach these levels, but you can see I was expecting this level to be taken out. So I never expected it was going to reach above $1 mark. I don't know if anybody has expecting it, but if we check here from the last swing low to the last swing high, even if we take this low here, you can see that we had the ultimate correction of this strong impulse for Cardano. It almost touched and on a little bit front run on logarithmic chart. I like to use log chart because on big price movements it's more precise than the linear chart. So what can we expect from Cardano? I personally, if we have another major crash on Cardano, we can expect some fillings around here, 60 cent mark, but let me check which is the previous monthly low here. Okay, we can take this previous monthly low. So let's summarize it and make it simple. If the price flips this level, I expect it Cardano, because this price action also appears to be something like another channel here, I expect it to reach again, if we flip 80, 85, it to continue its run another 20% to the $1 mark, because this is our channel. Major on zoom out view, Cardano is strongly bullish, still strongly bullish, and I expect it to take out this high sooner or later. Okay, guys, I think this is enough for today. I showed you everything necessary and all important levels, I think. I want to thank you for your attending, and I want to wish you a beautiful day. This was everything for today, and see you tomorrow.